Look at that, over the shoulder look. He's just done his test.
I've got to get it in my head. I've got to get it as force of habit before the old Mod 2. I was actually in the car park this morning at 7 o'clock this morning, riding this bike around and around and around, doing the slalom, doing the U-turns, and then off to the test centre.
What were the questions they asked you?
Questions were a pillion passenger, what would you do? What would you do to the bike, or what would you check on the bike? Check the lights, check the suspension, obviously have a check of your brakes and all that sort of stuff. Then they said to me about the oil. How would you check the oil? Show me, tell me. The brake fluid, and how would you check the chain? Then consult your manual.
Of course, our bikes didn't come with a manual.
Oh, and show me how you test the rear brake. And that was it.
Nice. Easy. And what's the order of the things you have to do?
Oh, you have to do the reverse, you know, park it in the bay first of all, and then pull it out the bay and reverse it round, you know, pull the bike around manually. Then you have to do slalom. So we did the slalom first, and then at the end of the slalom, you have to do the figure of 8.
How many times did you have to do that before they say stop?
Four bloody times I did the figure of 8. And then we did through the loop and did an emergency stop. Then we did through the loop and do the swerve to the left. Then parked up, did the old U-turn, and that was it as well. You had to do the riding slowly to the box. Yeah, and he said you shouldn't really beat me. I was like, okay. And he was walking so bloody slow, like a funeral director. I was like, oh please God, don't stall it. Don't put my foot down. Oh my God. But no, it was all right. It was good. But you know, you put all this worry into it, and it's over in 10 minutes.